In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a brush in Hipaint. Now to do this, you want to go to the top and you want to tap on your brush icon. And then from here, as you can see, there's going to be options to actually tap on the new button at the top left of this menu. So whenever you tap on the new button, it's going to add a new unnamed brush, okay? Now from here, you can simply tap on it and you can rename it. You can go and change it, whatever you want to do. And that's one way to add a brush. Now, if you want a more in-depth tutorial, I do have a full tutorial on how to make a custom brush, so go watch that first. It's going to tell you exactly how to do this. But if you want to add a brush, so in a way where you actually import it, what you have to do is not actually do anything inside Hipaint. You want to go and get a brush. You can download it, create it, whatever, and then you want to find it on your phone. So over here, I do have my brush. It's called Inky. You simply have to find it on your mobile device, inside your downloads or documents or whatever, inside your files in general. You want to tap on it, and depending on your device, you may be asked to select the type. Just tap on whatever over here, and it's going to tell you to open it with. Now, when you tap on it, you have to select open with and tap on more, and you want to find Hipaint. Now, in my case, it's over here. In your case, it could say share or whatever. So I'm just going to tap on Hipaint over here, and as I did this, I can go inside any of my projects over here, and if I tap on the brush button up top, you can see there's going to be an imported section over here towards the top, and you can see that now I've imported this Inky brush over here and I got it in here. Okay, so that's how to add the brush as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.